Hello friends, what's up? I got roasted a little for the sound quality in my previous video when I was unboxing the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and today I'm gonna unbox the Xiaomi 15 Ultra professional photography kit, and I've changed some of my microphone settings. Hopefully the sound is better. This one is the Chinese version. It doesn't make any difference when you're getting the photography kit because there isn't a ROM. So the hardware is basically the same whether you get it from Singapore or from China. I got this one from China, Taobao, for a little bit cheaper. And today we're going to unbox this thing and fit it on my phone, which is the Xiaomi uh, 15 Ultra, which I unboxed earlier. So I'm going to go ahead to cut this out. So this photography kit actually adds about 2000 milliamp hours of battery to your Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So that's about 40% bump up in battery life. So these are just some decorative rings you can attach to the photography kit and some decorative parts as well. This is the hard casing which you attach to the phone. I'm just gonna go ahead to slide it in a little bit anxious. I don't want to scratch the bezel of my phone. So I don't want to use any force. Okay, so I got it popped in. And this would be, oh, so there is a small little box here with the instructions booklet and a carrying loop, kind of a rope that goes around your wrist, and you can look through the battery pack. So you just gotta slide this in to add the battery pack to the casing. And when you do that, it automatically detects the professional camera grip. And you're good to go. So if you wish, you could possibly change the decorative ring and replace it with the silver version. Just gotta find the right spot to slide it in. Yep. You would hear the click sound when it's securely screwed on. And yeah, I guess this is another decorative part which goes in here. So first you got to unscrew this. You can add this on here just to give it a little bit of a dual tone feel, gray and with gray and gold. It's a bit finicky here while I try to screw it on. Right, okay. Yeah, so that's how it looks with the photography kit. Adds a little bit of bulk to the phone, but I guess that's the little price to pay for the extra controls that you have here, as well as the additional 2000 milliamp hours of juice, which you get to add to the Xiaomi 15 Ultra if you opt for the photography kit. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.